traveling to Dorado.
Alright, who we got? Oh, cool! The guy who's raging is on my team now. He has a trash can. You could say a dumpster. How's the Atlanta house? It's nice. You're not the usual place, Seagull? No.
With every death comes honor. With honor, redemption.
May you haven't aged a day. What's your secret? Cryostasis, but I'm
How are you not top 500? You're not top 500 until you have 50 games played.
What are you looking at?
That entire game, I was like, I gotta kill that Hanzo.
Oh god, it's him.
That entire game.
Attackers incoming in 30
Dude,
seconds.
we had a fucking bad. What else is there to do?
Your bashing ain't so
I have
bad.
no idea.
That shit was annoying.
But nothing I can do anyway.
Marked by the dragon.
I could try to pistol him down, you know.
I mean, we had a fucking Bastion, dude.
Dyrus
It
boys.
did nothing. I was out.
Dude, that guy's doing 360s in spawn right now. I can see his shield. Look at him.
Like,
Look at him spin.
Like,
Look at it.
isn't, like, Hanzo
Gonna
has
kill
to be
somebody.
the entire game.
Incoming.
I almost killed somebody. That was close. Dumpster equals Dyrus.
But he's got free random 5 minutes. I just credit this guy. Oh my god.
Oh, no, 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 no. If I good? Oh, thank you, Zarya, for waking me up. It's so hard hitting this angle, by the way. Like the straight down angle with projectiles. You can hit like the prediction shot, stuff like that, but you have to do such weird flicks at that angle. It's like left, right. You know, guys.
By the dragon.
my ultimate is charged.
There is nowhere to hide.
I should have predicted the right side. Oh well. It was fun.
Oh, it gets you behind.
You coming all the way around, buddy? Are you serious? Got right clicked by the Zenyatta? You got one shot? That Genji didn't even really do damage to me yet. Boom, 65%. Jesus.
I am not deterred.
I am ready to revive you.
Understood.
Alright, so he wants us to go in and feed. I'm not. Someone else will go in and feed. Later. You guys over the wall!
I'm on fire.
Poor Reinhardt, man. Look, he's here. He's here. He's like, where's my team at?
My ultimate is ready. Go.
Hey, Reinhardt. Hey, my buddy. How's it going? A Pharah? Oh no, the Zen hit me again. I was gonna live to the second rocket too, unless it was 2 directs. I probably won't show it here because I was discorded, but yeah, you only did 55 there.
Again.
So what graphics are you on? All low, 1280 by 720 right now. Well, that's because this PC has a GTX 960 in it, so it's actually like a pretty old graphics card, so it's like, eh. Gotta play at low settings in order to have decent frames. Just dragging them, screw it, see what it do. Was that guy stuck in there, by the way? Like the ceiling?
60 seconds remaining.
He conked me off into the McCree.
Oh my god.
I swear that guy killed me 3 times. And like, all 3 times I'm shooting the Pharah and someone else kills me. It's never actually the Pharah who kills me.
start over at the beginning.
وريهم قوتك.
30 seconds remaining.
Seagull, why don't you play McCree anymore? I haven't played McCree in a long time since you only can have one McCree per team. So there's no point having two. Oh, that guy was actually weak. You could have killed him. Get out of here. I might be dead now. Maybe he's dead. Oh yeah, he's dead. Peace, dude.
10 seconds remaining.
I will not be defeated so easily.
Take your practice with the BlizzCon team yet? No. Probably won't be able to practice at all. So after Atlanta, so we'll be done. So what, we flew into Atlanta on Monday, right? Next, what, Tuesday or Wednesday we fly out, I think? Or it could be even later, I forget the exact date. And then immediately afterwards, by October 3rd, I think, my team has to be in China or something like that. So it's extremely busy schedule. He's just spamming right clicks across the map. What do we do?
I need healing.
See, was this a Hanzo only account? This was originally going to be my Torbjorn only account, and then people started raging every time I played Torbjorn. That guy's mad. I'd be mad. He actually held that just to trade? I mean, I should have landed the first shot, I know that, but come on.
Okay.
See what chance you see is Farron comp again? Whenever it's in meta. Right now the meta is like triple tank for days. And Farron doesn't do the damage to anything in that. And that guy's... Okay, that guy's dead, but he's a Farron. Is he gonna just run up and ult me? Don't do it, dude. I hear him right around this corner. I know he's there. I'm doing it. He wasn't there. What do I do? Where'd my geometry? Screw it. Roll! That guy got dumpstered. Watch this.
I will not be defeated so easily.
Ten seconds.
Hold fast! Will not pre-target me!
My ultimate is ready. Go. I'll be watching
Look at the size of that thing!
Double. Triple kill.
There we go.
Complete.
See, why don't you tweet? I want to tweet, but the problem is I'm not logged in on the PC. So let me do it from my phone, but I can't read chat, so one sec.
Prepare to attack.
Okay, successfully tweeted, okay, boys? We did it.
With every death comes honor. With honor.
See, those triple tank, triple support meta still good? I don't think we run 3 support as much, but I mean, triple tank's been around forever. Always kind of will be. Ever since when Hero Lim was introduced, triple tank has been like a staple. Just turns out after you nerf Discord and nerf all the the major counters to it, and you implement Ana, it's just it's really really good right now.
Attack commences in 30 seconds.
I grow tired of waiting.
Seagull, where's your brother? He's in Seattle, bro. I'm in Atlanta.
It's good to get out of the mess.
Never second best.
It's good to use 800 or 1.6k DPI. It actually doesn't matter. Use whatever one you want.
5,
Never second.
1.
Seagull beats triple tank. Wow. You're pretty surprisingly not very good against unless you have a Zarya. You need to have the shields on cooldown or else you get kind of rolled. I could have tried right clicking us again. I don't like being here. Why is the Junkrat spamming just me? Go away, Junkrat. Cool. Wait, that's Plasma? I know that guy. Man, I haven't seen that guy in years.
Start over at the beginning.
My ultimate is ready. Go.
See through the dragons.
I missed my Sonic. Hope not.
Till Valhalla.
Halo is moving. Join me. There is no
The payload has reached the checkpoint.
Someone finish him, please. He's actually 1 health. Oh, goodness. Why does he say Art of Deception when he's actually just a Hanzo and he just spams arrows and just head level across the map? Like, what's deceiving about that? I mean, his hitbox? I guess that's pretty deceiving. I think it should be Roadhog's motto more than anything. Oh, yeah. We did it.
Nice.
Final score 2-1. Victory. Play of the match.
experience tranquility.
That was fast. I feel like that's bugged.
Look at the size of that thing!
These guys are getting baited out of control right now. I should have predicted the right side. Oh well. It was fun.
Oh, it gets you behind.
Are you coming all the way around, buddy? Are you serious? Got right clicked by the Zenyatta? You got one shot? That Genji didn't even really do damage to me yet. Boom, 65%. Jesus.
I am not deterred.
I am ready to provide you.
Understood.
Alright, so he wants us to go in and feed. I'm not. Someone else will go in and feed. Later. You guys over the wall!
I'm on fire.
Poor Reinhardt, man. Look, he's here. He's here. He's like, where's my team at?
My ultimate is ready.
Hey, Reinhardt. Hey, my buddy. How's it going? A Pharah? Oh, no, that... The Zen hit me again. I was gonna live through the second rocket too, unless it was 2 directs. I probably won't show it here because it was discorded, but yeah, you only did 55 there.
Again.
2 graphics setting on, all low, 1280 by 720 right now.
Traveling to Dorado.
Alright, who we got?
Prepare your defense.
Oh, cool! The guy who's raging is on my team now. He has a trash can. You could say a dumpster. How's the Atlanta house? It's nice. You're not the usual place, Seagull? No.
With every death comes honor. With honor, redemption.
Kill somebody.
Attackers incoming.
I almost killed somebody. I was close. Dumpster equals Dyrus.
But he's got 3 rounds, 5 each. I just credit this guy. Oh my god.
Oh, no, 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 no. If I good? Oh, thank you, Zarya, for waking me up. It's so hard hitting this angle, by the way. Like the straight down angle with projectiles. You can hit like the prediction shot, stuff like that, but you have to do such weird flicks at that angle. It's like left, right, go good.
By the dragon.
My ultimate is charged.
There is nowhere.
May you haven't aged a day. What's your secret? Your cryostasis, but I'm
How are you not top 500? You're not top 500 until you have 50 games played.
Dude, that entire game, I was like, I gotta kill that Hanzo.
Oh god, it's him.
That entire game.
Attackers incoming in 30
Dude,
seconds.
we had a fucking bad. What else is there to do?
Your bashing ain't so
I have
bad.
no idea.
That shit was annoying.
But nothing I can do anyway.
Marked by
Like,
the dragon.
I could try to pistol him down, you know?
I mean, we had a fucking Bastion, dude.
Dyrus
It
boys.
did nothing. I was out.
Dude, that guy's doing 360s in spawn right now. I can see his shield. Look at him.
Like,
Look at him spin.
Like,
Look at it.
as in, like,
One.
Hanzo